Hi, I'm Muzz. You can find me on the PLC Discord. I'm here in Iceland at the edge of the volcano that's just been erupting for the last few days. We've had a really shit year for growing season for the northern hemisphere, so I thought I'd try and sacrifice a few things to the fire gods, see if we can get a better season going for a better harvest. So here I have a nice fresh pepper, so I'm going to chuck that in the fire gods so they can have a little bit of beer too. And a splash of hot sauce just to